Welcome to my channel. Today, we take a deep look at the 2026 Honda Rebel 500, a modern cruiser that blends classic style with everyday practicality. Known for its approachable nature, smooth performance, and customizable design, the Rebel 500 continues to be a favorite among new and experienced riders alike. Design and styling. The 2026 Rebel 500 stays true to its minimalist, bobber-inspired roots but receives subtle refinements. The round LED headlamp is framed with a sleeker bezel, the fuel tank gets fresh paint options, and the fenders are slightly reshaped for a cleaner look. Blacked-out components add to its modern appeal while maintaining that timeless cruiser vibe. Engine and performance. Powering the Rebel is a 471 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, delivering around 47 horsepower. It's tuned for smooth, linear power delivery, making it easy to ride in the city and comfortable on highways. The 6-speed gearbox shifts effortlessly, and the low-end torque ensures confident acceleration without intimidating new riders. Technology and features. For 2026, Honda has added a full LCD digital display with a gear position indicator, clock, and fuel consumption readout. The bike now includes LED lighting all around, improved ABS braking, and optional Honda smartphone connectivity for navigation and notifications. Comfort and handling. With a low seat height of around 690 millimeters, the Rebel 500 is accessible to riders of all sizes. The relaxed riding posture, mid-mounted foot pegs, and light clutch make it a breeze in urban traffic. The suspension is tuned for a balance between comfort and stability, while its lightweight frame ensures easy maneuverability. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda Rebel 500 proves that you don't need massive power to enjoy the cruiser lifestyle. With its blend of style, comfort, and reliability, it's an ideal motorcycle for those seeking a laid-back ride with modern touches. Whether it's your first bike or your daily cruiser, the Rebel 500 continues to deliver in every way.